Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. I'm CBS 19 Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony. We are headed into the weekend now, and wow, the cold front, which has now become stationary and is sort of wobbling back and forth and will slowly move to the north, really doing a number on our forecast in terms of high temperatures. So perhaps on Friday you experienced highs in the low 60s and maybe 50s or even low to mid 70s across the area. And that's all because of where that front is setting up. That front's going to be another player throughout the day Saturday. And so kind of a tough forecast in terms of high temperatures for Saturday. So we're going to show you a high temperature in the lower 60s. I would not be shocked if some of you come out with highs closer to 75 degrees and areas even closer to Tyler end up in the mid 60s. It's very possible. And fronts like this just give forecasters headaches, and this is indeed one of those. Now, the forecast becomes a little more well-defined, a little clearer as we head later into the weekend, especially Sunday night into Monday, thanks to that storm there. It's a strong storm. It's typically what we would see in, say, mid to late May or early June. This is a very spring-like severe weather setup. If we go up to about 10,000 feet off the surface of the earth, we're talking about 80 to 120 mile an hour winds ripping over the panhandle into southern parts of Oklahoma. So this area here where you see the red arrows, that's an area ripe for severe weather. That does stretch into East Texas, but we don't have a front. We have nothing to initiate showers and thunderstorms until much later Sunday night into Monday, and by that time, those winds would have shifted to the north and away from us, so that's good news. We'll keep an eye on this because if it does shift a little bit closer in terms of timing, if the storm speeds up, that might bring the severe weather threat a little closer to East Texas. But the way things stand right now, we look to get maybe a weakening line of showers coming through here, some gusty rain or a thunderstorm very early Monday morning with perhaps a wind gust up to 40 miles an hour. Remember Wednesday morning, something similar to that, but I think this time around we'd have a couple of rumbles of thunder. All right, so that's the storm. That's probably the big weekend weather player throughout most of the southern and central plains, including East Texas. Severe thunderstorm risk outlook, again, just a little sliver of East Texas sneaks here into this marginal risk. Again, if it slides to the east a little bit, let's not be too shocked. Dallas right now is sitting in the marginal risk. You go back to the northwest of Dallas, it's a slight risk. And then that area that I showed you where those enhanced winds at about 80 to 120 miles an hour off the surface, about 10 to 15,000 feet above the surface, that area there has an enhanced risk. That means that numerous severe thunderstorms are expected across southern Oklahoma. So for us, somewhat of a tricky forecast. Saturday, 30% chance of rain. I think it's mainly in the morning. Sunday, there's a 20 to 30% chance of rain, and it's really at any point during the day. But these showers are so widely scattered that it's really tough to put any more than about a 30% chance on that. In fact, we'll go with a 20% chance for Sunday. Monday, 50% chance of rain. That's confined to that time frame that I talked about, maybe around 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Second half of Monday is absolutely gorgeous. Tuesday's fantastic. Wednesday's pretty nice, but we will get into Wednesday like late afternoon or evening and bring in a 30% chance of rain. Then Thursday, a 60% chance for showers, thunderstorms, and then as that system departs, we're back down to a 30% chance of rain on Friday. So Thursday, really best chance of rain out of the next 7 days, I would say. All right, here's Future Skycast. We're going to start this late Saturday night. As I said, most of Saturday is going to be cloudy. There's going to be this frontal boundary. In fact, if you follow these arrows here, this is what gives us sort of the headache. See these northeast winds south of Tyler, and then you have southeast winds, and then where they come together from I-35 near Waco all the way over toward Shreveport. So the front is somewhere in this vicinity Saturday night. So if it stays in that vicinity there, 60, 61, 62 should be doable. If it floats a little farther to the north before that time frame, then we're talking 66 to about 70 degrees. At any rate, the anticipation is the front will begin to move to the north by Sunday morning. Maybe a few rain showers early Sunday. That's why we have that small chance of rain in there. And then Sunday night, we have clearing skies, and then here comes that line of showers and thunderstorms. Oklahoma City, so probably severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe a tornado warning. Down through Lawton, back toward Abilene, all the way over toward San Angelo. Watch what happens when I put this into motion between Sunday evening and Monday morning. There should be a significant weakening in the line. Did you see that? It went from yellows and oranges down to green. But again, as that's the rainfall intensity, it could still have some gusty winds, 40 to 45 miles an hour as it moves through. So we'll keep an eye on that. Sometimes we get what are called significant weather alerts. That's a notch below a severe thunderstorm warning. So we might have something like that Sunday night into early Monday morning. But anyway, by Monday, even as early as, say, 8 o'clock in the morning, we're sunny. And then we have west to southwest winds. Monday's just a gorgeous day. And then we head into Tuesday. Some high clouds will drift back in here. But Tuesday and Wednesday look fantastic. Then we'll get into Wednesday, Thursday with another storm system coming in. So again, just to recap that, Sunday, a couple scattered showers. Sunday night, likely dry. Early Monday morning, that dying line of showers and thunderstorms comes through. Here's the 10-day temperature trend. And again, we'll go 62 for the afternoon high Saturday. Upper 70 Sunday as the front lifts through. Cold front here drops us down a little bit on Monday to 73. We're back to 79 on Tuesday, near 80 on Wednesday. Then we have that next front coming through Thursday as we get March started. This is nice to see. I like when March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. So if we're coming in lion-like with rain on the second and cooler temperatures, that's okay. 67 Saturday, first weekend of March, looks like we're going to see some highs above average, a little bit on the cooler side, though, compared to where we'll be over most of the next 10 days, then back up to 75. Rainfall outlook next 7 days. All right, let's break this down. So the next 2 days would include Saturday, but it will also include what would have happened on Friday. We look at that, and you'll see these amounts are in that 1/100th of an inch to maybe a 1/10 of an inch category. Okay, let's look at Sunday specifically. And again, very light rain across the area. 1/100th of an inch, maybe 1/10 of an inch. That is about it. Now we go into Monday and Tuesday. We should see, and we didn't there, but we didn't see the reflection of that little line of showers and thunderstorms moving through. And then you'll go back to Wednesday and Thursday, and I think that's going to be the bulk of the rain that shows up. Indeed it is. You're looking at 3/4 of an inch, 1.25 inches, maybe 1.75 inches of rain, especially from Longview up toward Jefferson. All right, that's over the next 7 days. All right, rainfall reports. We need a little bit of rain suddenly. We are a little bit below average at Tyler, Longview 1 inch below average, and Lufkin about 1 inch below average. Hour by hour on Saturday, northeast winds, plenty of clouds, temperatures in the middle part of the afternoon, making it up into the upper 50s to low 60s. Could be cooler up in Pittsburgh, 54 in our central counties. This is what I'm talking about. Look at Tyler, 62. Not far down the road in Jacksonville at 65. Henderson's up to 66. Then over deep East Texas, wow, lo and behold, Nacogdoches and Lufkin, 81 degrees. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Pine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Showers possible Saturday, 62, 77 on Sunday, 73 Monday with the early AM thunderstorms, followed by mostly sunny skies on Tuesday and more rain moving back in by next Thursday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus.